Hello dear learners of class 7th. In this chapter we are going to discuss the book exercise of chapter number 13, which is of unit number 5, that is how thing works. This chapter is electric current and its effects. So इस chapter में हम basically exercise discuss करेंगे आपकी right sign wise book की. तो एज यूजुअल जो आपकी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज होती है वो है गेट रेडी एक्सरसाइज. यहाँ पर भी गेट रेडी एक्सरसाइज है. अब इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको करना क्या है, यू नीड टू इंडिकेट और यू नीड टू सॉर्ट आउट द फॉलोइंग इनटू गुड एंड बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो आपको यहाँ बताना है कि गुड और बैड कंडक्टर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के क्या क्या हैं. तो पहले देखो हैंड ग्लव्स. हैंड ग्लव्स आर मेड अप ऑफ द प्लास्टिक. So plastic is the bad conductor of the electricity. Then this is an iron nail. Iron is the good conductor of electricity. This is the tap water, right? This picture is of tap water. Tap water is the good conductor of electricity. Then next is the wooden stick. Wooden stick is the bad conductor of electricity. It is an insulator. Then next is copper wire. Copper wire is considered as the very good conductor of the electricity. Then comes the next exercise, which is the practice time. So practice time 1. Here we need to write T for true and F for false as usual. The first statement is we use magnetic energy to run electric appliances. मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी को हम इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेज रन करने के लिए यूज करते हैं? नहीं, हम करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट इज अ क्लोज पाथ कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ वायर, बल्ब, स्विच एंड सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ये हो गया ट्रू. सेकेंड, मैनी बैटरीज आर यूज टू मेक सेल. बहुत सारी बैटरी सेल बनाती है क्या? नहीं, जबकि इसका उल्टा होता है कि हम अगर दो से ज्यादा सेल को एक साथ जोड़ेंगे तो वो क्या बनाएगी? बैटरी. देन फोर्थ इज वायर विथ हाई रेजिस्टेंस टू फ्लो हाई रेजिस्टेंस टू द फ्लो ऑफ करंट आर यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. नो, हाई रेजिस्टेंस अगर वायर होगा तो करंट अच्छे से फ्लो नहीं होगा. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, अ स्विच हेल्प टू स्टार्ट और स्टॉप the flow of electric current in an electric circuit. This is true. Then next is practice time 2. Practice time 2 have fill in the blanks. First, dash effect of current is used in appliances such as geysers, toaster and heat. So heating effect को use करते हैं ये सारे appliances में. ठीक है. Second is bulb glow when electric current flow through dash, which is usually made up of an alloy. So answer is filament. Next is dash is an electric device. फ्यूज एक ऐसा डिवाइस है जो आपके इलेक्ट्रिक डिवाइस को सेफ रखता है, ठीक है, किसी भी डैमेज से. देन फोर्थ इज अ डैश स्ट्रिप इज यूज्ड इन एमसीबी विच गेट हीटेड एट इट्स टिप्स. तो इट इज अ बाई मेटालिक स्ट्रिप जो कि एमसीबी में यूज होती है. देन फिफ्थ इज डैश इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय हेंस क्रिस्टिन ऑयस्ट्रेड इन 1820. So it was magnetic effect. Sixth, electric bell is an example of different appliances of an. It is the example of an electromagnet. Then after the main exercise, that is take the correct answer. So the first question is which of the following is used to represent the various component of a circuit. तो किसको हम यूज करते हैं? सिंबल को यूज करते हैं रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए कंपोनेंट इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट के. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज टू मेक वायर्स. तो वायर बनाने के लिए किसका यूज करेंगे? कॉपर. देन थर्ड इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट फॉर द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए सबसे ज्यादा करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि जब भी कोई सर्किट क्लोज होता है तो the circuit is closed without a battery. Then next is, which of the following is the feature of heating the filament? So it is high melting point. Then full form of MCB, it is miniature circuit breaker. ये यहाँ पे ये जो ऑप्शन है, इट इज मिनिएचर सर्किट ब्रेकर, ये आपका सही आंसर है. यहाँ पे ये जो आंसर है ये फॉल्स है. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. देन आफ्टर, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज टू चेक द मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ अ सर्किट? मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ अ सर्किट किससे चेक कर सकते हैं हम? विथ अ मैग्नेटिक कंपास. देन सेवेंथ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द कंपोनेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बेल? इलेक्ट्रिक बेल का क्या कंपोनेंट होगा? So it is an electromagnet. Then question number 8, which of the following is separated by electromagnets in a scrap yard? तो आयरन स्क्रैप को सेपरेट करने के लिए इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट का यूज किया जाता है. इसी के साथ हम आ जाते हैं fill in the blanks पे. So first is, dash is defined as the flow of electric charge through the conducting material. It is electricity. Second, it is always convenient to draw electric circuit by using standard dash for each component. So we use standard symbols. Then next is, battery provide more energy than dash in an electric circuit. So it is cell. Then fourth is, the resistance to flow of electric current generates heat. Then fifth is, both filament in a bulb and an element of heater have high melting point. Sixth, a fuse is a dash device that protects the electric circuit. So fuse is a safety device and it protects our electric devices as well as electric circuit from damage. Then seventh, when electricity flows through a wire, it produces dash effect which can be deducted by the compass. So it produces magnetic effect. Then question number 8, electric bell is an example of the appliance of the application of an electromagnet. Electric bell किसका example है? Electromagnet का. Then C. So question number C here is, write T for true and F for false and correct the false statement. For this, the first statement is, different component of electric circuit cannot be displayed through a symbol. तो ये हो गया false क्योंकि it can be, यहाँ cannot की जगह आएगा can be. Then second is, in a circuit an electric bulb will glow when a switch is off. तो यहाँ पे false क्योंकि यहाँ off की जगह क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? In the place of off you need to write on. What you will write? On. Then third, when two or more cells are attached in series they form a battery. अगर दो या दो से ज़्यादा सेल को हम सीरीज में अटैच करेंगे तो वो क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? बैटरी. Then fourth, a fuse is made up of material having highest magnetic point. So it is false. Then because highest नहीं होता है, low होता है. Then 5 is, electric circuit produce heat due to resistance to the flow of the current. This is true. 6, magnetic effect of electric current does not depend on the number of turns in the solenoid. So it is false because it depends. So not की जगह क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? It depends on. Then 7th is, magnetic effect of electric current was discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted. This is true. Then 8th is, an electric bell consists of solenoid. This is false because electric bell consists of an electromagnet. Then coming to the next, that is the match the following. So tungsten, what is the tungsten? It is used to make filament of the bulb. Then second is electric fuse. Electric fuse क्या होता है? What is electric fuse? It is the safety device which protects the electric circuit. Then third is battery. What is battery now? Battery is the combination of two or more cells. Then fourth is toaster. Toaster works on the principle of heating effect of the current. Switch. Switch helps to control the flow of the electric circuit or an electric, whether it is closed or open circuit, it depends on the switch. Now coming to the next, that is one word answer, which means you need to give one word or two word answer of the following question. First question is, the source of electric current in an electric circuit is, electric circuit में source of electric current क्या होता है? It is a cell or a battery. Second is, a component of electric circuit made up of conducting material through which electric current flows. So it is wire. Third, it is used to stop or start the flow of the electric current in an electric circuit. It is switch. Then fourth is, the needle of this instrument deflect when it is kept near a current carrying wire. It is a magnetic compass. Then fifth is, the magnet made using electric current is electromagnet. The magnet which are prepared by using electric current, they are the electromagnets. Then sixth is, long wire coiled many times and generate magnetic field. It is solenoid. Now hope so this chapter exercise is clear to you all. Thank you dear learners. Stay connected to ScienceWise. Hope so you have watched all the exercise video which are uploaded in this playlist. If not, kindly do watch it. Thank you.